air healing every part of your chest. The tide comes in, the tide goes back. Nothing you carry is too heavy for that. I've been walking to the shore when the mind gets loud, barefoot on the sand, no need for the crowd. Watch the pelican dive, see how we trust the deep while we up on the land. Forget you're not asleep. The ocean don't rush, the ocean don't stress, just pulls back slow, then returns with breath. I used to think freedom was a place to find, now I know it's just leaving the weight behind. Let the water teach you how to rest. Salt air healing every part of your chest. The tide comes in, the tide goes back. Nothing you carry is too heavy for that. System wants you tired, wants you chasing more, but the way's been free since before the war. I plant my feet where the water meets the earth. Remember what I'm worth, remember my birth. Gratitude for the breeze, gratitude for the view. Simple meditation, nothing left to prove. The goals overhead, they never clock in. Just ride the wind, let the day begin. Salt air healing every part of your chest. The tide comes in, the tide goes back. Nothing you carry is too heavy for that. The ocean knows, the ocean knows.